Hey guys, welcome to the Houston Kilby YouTube channel.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another YouTube video. This weekend we're going to do a lot more sheet metal work. We're still back there in the trunk. We're going to do a lot of template forming. We're going to do a lot of bending. We're going to do a lot of grinding. We're going to do a lot of cutting. We're even going to do some bead rolling in there. Hope you guys enjoy. We're probably going to pull every tool out that I have to make this happen. But it's going to be a lot of fun. This weekend, the panel we're making is really big and really long. So it's going to be really cool doing this. It's my first time making this big of a piece, so it's going to be pretty neat seeing this happen. Let's get after it. Alright guys, we moved on to the next step here. We've got a cardboard template. We just transferred our marks from our template onto our metal panel here. And the marks you see, the outer border is the template. We have our bend marks, and we also have our bead roll marks right in here. And what we're going to do, we're going to cut this panel out, and then we're going to go back and we're going to finish up our bead roll marks here. Alright guys, we're back at it. We just got done putting our bead rolls on this thing. It's looking really nice. Turned out really smooth. I'm really excited about it. We're getting ready to put the bends on this thing for it to form the underside of the car. And I've got my pan brake right here. We're getting ready to use it. And we're getting ready to rock and roll. Alright guys, so here we are. We've got our template, that cardboard piece you seen us marking up there. We went from that, and now we have our bead roll, our bent, our almost fitted piece, and we're ready to stick this thing in there and see what it's going to look like. I'm really happy with the way it's turning out so far. It's looking pretty nice.
Guys, check that out, man. We got that piece in, and this is the first one we made. We just kind of got it sitting in there right now, and it's not really all the way mounted up by no means, but just kind of sitting there. And it's super late right now. It's about 3:25 in the morning. We finally got it sitting in there, and I'm liking it. It's looking pretty clean. Everything's kind of coming together right now. This piece by far was a bear, and I mean, this is all one piece right here. This whole entire area here, that's a bend to get that. That's a bend to get that, and that's a bend to get that there, and man, that was tough. And I'll go on the bottom side there and show you guys that, but I'm liking it. It's looking pretty good. This was a hard piece. It's a hard piece right here, no joke. But it's going in underneath the car here. Like I said, we only got 2 Clecos in it right now here on the bottom. Not much is holding it in, just got it set in there. It's really late, and I just wanted to show you how this is coming out right now. I mean, it's looking really cool. I'm liking it. This right here, for you guys trying to figure out what this is where the wheelie bars are going to go through at. So there'll be an opening right in through there where the bumper is, and I just wanted to tunnel this right in here, so it's just got some smooth, clean looking transitions. But that's how we're kind of looking right there. We haven't got everything fitted quite yet. It's just sitting in there. It's really late right now, and I might give me some rest. But this bad boy is looking good. I'm liking it. Everything's coming together, and we are rocking and rolling. Rocking and a rolling. Well guys, we are coming to a conclusion on this video right here. It's been a long weekend. We've been rocking and rolling on it. I want to thank all my buddies for coming over and helping me out on this thing, and I've been thrashing on it really hard, and it is moving right now. We're looking pretty good. I'm liking how everything's looking, and definitely guys, leave us a like, tell me what you guys think. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and let's rock and roll, guys.